I've reviewed 200 odd pensions, and here are the 5 names that keep coming up over and over again. St. James's Place, by the way, come up as negatives. Okay, Aviva, Scottish Widows, True Potential, and Legal and General. So what are the main complaints that people have with those pension providers? Low growth. That's number one, always, and by a country mile. Low growth is the biggest complaint everybody has about them. It's the first thing. The second thing behind that is the person who told them about it, the IFA, the wealth manager, the fund manager, whoever the heck it was, never gets in touch, doesn't explain things well. So lack of communication is the next thing. It's why we offer mentoring to people and hand-holding for life on these things so they can understand things for themselves, as opposed to just being amateur dabblers and thinking that they can outsource their pension to somebody and that somebody is going to, in return for excessive fees, deliver good returns. Doesn't happen. Eugene Fairman, Nobel Prize in Economics, for proving that fund managers underperform even the simplest of benchmarks because they spray and pray too widely and too broadly. So with those names, what's the solution? Well, the solution is, as you would expect me to say, is use SIPs and ISAs yourself. Make your own investment decisions, but make sure, because this is the point you go, well, I can't do that, I'll give it to an expert. That's not the answer that follows from that. The answer that follows from it is, okay, I better learn how to do it. I better look through 10,000 companies, work out which ones are undervalued, or Alpesh will give me the data, which ones are growing, which ones are producing good dividends, and then have 20 to 40 of those in my portfolio and leave it alone because they're good quality companies. The problem is, if you can't do that, and we'll give you the data and have a look at the link in the bio, if you can't do all of that, then the answer isn't still just to give it to an expert and outsource it. If you're going to outsource it to anyone, it's just have a simple index tracker then. Okay, but the IFAs, the wealth managers, are not the logical conclusion of the problems that you are facing. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.